Okay, so we're back to putting this antenna up. This is, you can consider this 59.5 foot of rope that we just calculated we needed. And if you're making this antenna from the beginning, from the scratch for the first time, you're going to have your hose clamp against the rope, and you have the wire against the rope, and you tighten it, and you're holding that length of wire onto the rope. And we'll just slide down the rope. Now here's that same piece of wire, crimped and tied down to the rope here. Then you have a short gap between that and the very end of that wire, where you take your 2-meter antenna and your extension wire that you just cut and made, and you can hose clamp that down and make your connection. Now these connections could be made with split bolts or something if you get a little nervous about this. So then the rest is pretty much the same. This is the antenna, the 2-meter antenna, and if you follow and come in, look inside the box, you can see where it can come in, and it's connected. It's black wire, and it's connected to the center of the coax. You can also see the other hose clamp is clamping the white wire to the shield, and it makes a very good cut or contact. And here we have a split bolt. You make a very solid contact with the inner connector and that piece of wire. So then you just come out. Well, this should have been green to match the colors I have in the book. So this would be the cold side and the hot side. So you always kind of want to keep track of that and show it on your antennas when you have 2 of them. If you're only going to do one, it probably doesn't make that much difference. So anyway, just repeat the same thing in reverse now. You're going to go back and follow this path all the way down. Here's the end of the first dipole. Now we're going to go down through here. This is all bare rope. Now you start the process all over again. This is the hose clamp holding the end of the wire. Come down here, and here's your dipole antenna electrical connection. Here's the hose clamp holding the wire to the rope. And if you look inside here, I put a piece of sealer material to keep water from going down in there. And you show here, you can see I made this one with ladder line. I pulled it down so you could see it. There's another one of these up here. So that's it. If you just look up down through here now, just reversed. And here's about the other end of that 59.5 foot piece of rope. And if you made that piece of rope, if you wanted to, now you have to tie it onto the rope that you're going to pull it up with. Just use another hose clamp, overlap it, and squeeze it tight, and you'll be done. Thanks for showing.